Voila! YouTube, what's up, guys? Look at this beauty here, guys. We got us a John Deere LA 115, guys. As you can see, I've already ripped the deck off. It's gone. You know, sometimes you just gotta jerk your deck off sometimes. You know, we don't need them things, but we're going. Check out what else we got for it, guys. We got these bad boys right here. I mean, just look at that right there. Tell me that's not some beefy tires. Got these back tires right here for it. The front ones I'm probably just gonna weld onto the old rims. Be easy, be really simple. But man, check this thing out, guys. Tell me this is not gonna be a machine. Just look how high that thing's gonna come up. Yeah, buddy, I've been talking about doing one of these things. We actually have 3 of them. I have 3 different brands. So me and my other 2 Tampa Boys Customs, we're gonna have a little build off, and then of course we're gonna have go-karts that go on fishing with us, you know. Do a little riding, racing, drag, pull, tug of wars, all that, guys. So I drove it around a little bit already, took it out the little mud pit, had some fun with it, got stuck once. My buddy Nate helped me get it unstuck. I was on a little video call with him. We got it out. But man, dude, what a beautiful machine. It's got a like a 9 it's a Briggs and Stratton 19.5 horse. Good engine. Like I said, this tractor's only got 400 hours on it, so it's it ain't bad, man. I mean, check it out, guys. This is part 1 to the mud mower build. I'm really excited about it. Well, you see all the bikes are all dirty, man. We had a great weekend. Riding with go-karts, we've gone fishing. Freaking great time, guys. I'm telling you what. Highly recommend you to go check out Go-Karts and Gone Fishing channel, man. Guys, awesome. You can see how muddy the bikes are, guys. I mean, look at these things. We had a blast, man. Rode all day. You can see the big trike and the Murray out there still dirty. They need some love. But guys, I'm really excited about this mud mower, man. This thing is gonna be sweet. Y'all want to hear it run? Let me do a little. Let me fire this thing up real quick, guys, for you. Do a little first start on this thing, you know. It's not a cold start. It was already running today, so she runs, man. We're definitely gonna get that throttle figured out for sure, guys. You hear that thing rev up? Yeah, buddy, man. I can't wait to get these tires on this thing. This thing's gonna be sick. I have all 4 tires for it, so it's just a matter of getting them mounted on this thing. She's gonna be a ripper. Oh, buddy. Mudding video coming soon, guys, of the old mud mower. Check this thing out, man. Oh, I'm excited. What a beaut, what a beaut. Put the hood back down. I'm really more excited about the Craftsman I got back there. I got a Craftsman on, I think it's a VT 3000. Man, it just has a really sweet looking front end on it, and headlight setup. It just looks mean. So I'm gonna get that one pulled out too, man, and we're gonna build it up too. It has a transmission, so we can pulley swap it and stuff and do all that cool stuff with it, make it go fast and all that. This one's just going to be strictly a little bit slower one, I guess. Mud mower. What other plans do I have for this one? We're definitely coming straight out the hood with exhaust, straight out the hood with an intake. We're going to try to drive this thing through my pond, guys. So if you're looking for that video, it's coming soon. As soon as I get these tires on, we're going for gold. All right, guys, just a short little clip here, man. Part 1 of the John Deere LA 115. Super excited about it, guys. Definitely Definitely gonna be cool. All right, guys, that's gonna be it. You know what to do, man. Like, subscribe, leave me a comment, guys. Tell me what you think about this thing. Tell me what I can do to make it better. Tell me what color you want it to be. All that jazz, man. All right, guys, TBC out. See you on the next one. We got the John Deere. We got a little bit of mud, guys. See what we can do. See, we tore the mud up pretty quick. It's all gone now. Look at the John Deere though, guys. What a view. Quick little video here to show you what it does before I modify it. Hope you guys enjoy. TBC out.